Injured lion. Zebra skinned. Do you feel pain when you see such images? And is this the result of brutal wars in nature? Join us in the countdown to discover 7 horrible scenes when big cats and animals get injured. Number 7. Lions. Part of the skin has been stripped from the body. One eye was destroyed. The kindred war left scratches on the body, and the fangs were able to penetrate deeper into the inner flesh and even the bones. A successful hunt is when the big cats take down a prey, no matter how big or small. But life is not always smooth. Sometimes lions also make mistakes when choosing prey. For example, at this moment, the huge and strong buffaloes are ready to rush out to protect the member of the herd who are close to death. Even the Lion King was completely defeated. With wounds all over his body, he could only lie still and wait to die. If you thought the Lion King was perfect, you'll have to think again when you witness this terrifying sight. Number 6. Buck. The serious injury to the leg makes this buck extremely difficult to move. A horrible wound on the poor animal's back? What terrible thing happened to him? A sad sight. He looked like he was suffering with the wound on his body. He took a dip in the water like so many injured animals do, but still didn't seem to feel any better. Partly, maybe he got a head injury that could cause some confusion. Anyway, it's amazing to see the effort and energy he used to try to solve his problem. It is possible that a mountain lion caused those wounds when the attack failed and the prey escaped. Do you think it could be man-made? Number 5. Leopard. A large laceration on the hind leg. Like a lion. Suffering to drag the legs. With its skilled tree climbing skills, leopards can easily bring their prey up high trees to enjoy alone against the fury of hyenas. The strength of this cat is unbelievable, just using its mouth to bring the body of prey to a tree in less than 2 seconds. The rampage can reach its peak, because hyenas have vindictive long-term memories. They will leave on the bodies of those who provoke them long scars with their sharp teeth. Destroy the protective skin of the old leopard and the inner muscle and nerve system. Make the leopard's body paralyzed. Lions are no exception. Although they do not eat their relatives, but they do demonstrate their strength. The lion still wants to warn the hateful. Wounds created by hedgehogs can also be fatal to large cats. Everything has to be careful. Don't think of yourself as a strong predator that can dominate the wild world. Number 4. Zebra. Like the beautiful queens of the African grasslands, zebras always lose a large number in great migrations, becoming food for crocodiles and lions. Sometimes they miraculously escape death. Escape death from the lion. Escape from the crocodile. Surely you will not be able to help but feel pain when you witness the sight of a piece of skin on a zebra's body being ripped out of its place. It feels like excruciating pain, doesn't it? And this is the reason. This is a beautiful and gentle animal, but it's a harsh part of nature. Zebras are herbivores, so they cannot avoid deadly bites from predators. Number 3. Tiger. A lonely king was dragging his heavily wounded body into a secluded place to bid farewell to life. Giving up fame because he can't even try anymore. Mutual carnage against one another may be the biggest cause of tiger injuries. My wisdom, intelligence, always saves tigers from enemies that should not be confronted. Like this video, you can clearly see the tiger running away from a large wild bull. Number 2. Wildebeest. In the previous video, you saw the wildebeest knocking the lion away, but that was just a young lion, not yet strong enough. If it was an adult lion, the ending would be like this. And in the case of being saved by unrelated friends, it's like this. As a result of the 2 broken hind legs, the wildebeest was dwarfed. A very lonely sight of him in the middle of the meadow, all alone, fighting the coming death. Can you guess what the end of this poor animal will be? Please feel free to comment below. Number 1. Hyenas. Running on 3 legs. Only walking on 2 legs. Even lions they once killed. The cause with the highest percentage is the wars between members of the clan and outside the clan. Maybe for the food, maybe fighting for the right to mate with the female. For various reasons, these heartbreaking scenes have occurred repeatedly in the wild in both predators and prey. What do you think is the most common cause? Please comment to let us know. I really appreciate you because to watch this video, you have to be very patient and have a love for animals. So don't forget to click the notification bell and share this video. Thank you very much. Best regards.